This UMAY treadmill is perfect for apartments and for basements with low ceilings because it's so small yet sturdy and usable. I've had this for about 18 months now. I have used it every other day, let's say, and it actually works really, really well. It has held up well. It is a good treadmill. There are a couple drawbacks to it, but first let's go over all the positives. Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm going to tell you all about this UMAY treadmill. Again, I have used it for about 18 months now, about every other day, and it has held up really, really well. This is the actual tread that I'm actually running on. Still looks fairly new. Most of the pieces are plastic, but the metal, the main stuff, the actual frame and the holding and the actual bars are all metal, and then the rest of the actual plastic stuff is just plastic that holds the electronics. But all of the real structural pieces are metal, so that's good. This is a high quality unit. It does have a power switch, it does have a little breaker, it does have a cord. Again, you can fold it up. We'll talk about that in a moment. There are little wheels there that you can go ahead and fold it up and then push it around. Now, I used to have it in a basement with a low ceiling, and now I have it in an apartment. In both cases, this small little treadmill fits really, really well. It really doesn't have any issues here. The display itself is really pretty simple. I'll go ahead and start it up. You can hear it beeping. There's a little cup holders. There's a little safety cord here. And I'm going to go ahead and move, and you can see they're just red LED numbers. You've got a couple little buttons for speed, but you also have the start and stop on the left, and you also have speed on the right. I usually use those. There is an app you can get for it as well. You do have programs. All the instructions come with it. They tell you how to do programs to go up, down, left, right, and this thing just bounces between time, distance, and calories. You manually adjust the incline with this one. You just pull the pin and then lift it up and then put the pin back in. That adjusts the incline or for the entire treadmill. And then also on the back here you have adjustments for when the tread goes back and forth. You can put a little hex key into here and go ahead and turn it left or right. The instructions kind of explain it. It is pretty straightforward. It does take a little bit of playing to get it just right. Once you get it just right, I haven't actually had to adjust it very much. I adjusted it, I think, twice over the course of it, and it might be due for another adjustment. I can see I have a little more on this side than on that side, but I've been using it for a while, and I haven't done much with it lately. And then maintenance is, every so often, you do want to go ahead and put a little drop or two of oil in there, and that's all there is to it. Like it says, it does fold up. You can just lift it, kind of go like that. And there we go, it is now folded up. I have some space here behind it, and there's a little piston in the back that just kind of keeps it up. It does take up a little less room this way. When you do it this way, it takes up only about 32 inches back and forth this way, and it is still about, well, here it's about 53 inches high when the deck is up like that. I'm not sure if they put those measurements in the listing. And then you just kind of tap the piston, and it'll come back down. It's a slow drop, so you don't have to worry about it. It'll just slowly go down on its own. There's a little compression piston in there. And I'm ready to go. Again, the big advantage to this treadmill is size. It is exactly 24 inches from this edge to this edge, and your running pad down here is actually about 16 inches across. I also like this treadmill for basements with low ceilings because it's a low profile treadmill, meaning that the deck is not real high. It's only about 4.5, 5 inches high here, and maybe about 4 inches high down here. So if your height plus 4 inches is less than the ceiling height, you'll probably be fine. You may want to throw a couple inches in for bouncing and for running, but otherwise you should be fine fitting it into a basement or using it in a basement with a low ceiling. There are a couple minor disadvantages to this treadmill. First of all, it's all pretty simple. The buttons are pretty simple. The programs are pretty simple. Nothing complex here. It's just going to be faster or slower with the program. That's fine. Again, the manual inclination is okay. It's a good starter treadmill. But these cup holders are completely pointless. They are too small and they're too shallow for a real cup of any type or water of any type to go in. They're only about 2.5, 2 3/4 inch wide. Most real good exercise water bottles are bigger than that. These are completely pointless, and again, they're just too shallow to put anything in. And the other thing is the beeps. The beeps are really, really, really loud. If you live in a place where you're going to be exercising, like an apartment, you're going to be exercising at 4 o'clock in the morning, these beeps, they really kind of cut through the silence of a morning in an apartment. It's just too loud, and haven't found a way to turn them off yet. The app doesn't do it. There's no switch on here. But otherwise, if you're in a basement, no one's going to care. If you don't have to worry about waking up other people or bothering other people, hey, it's a good treadmill. Overall, I really like this UMAY treadmill. Again, I've had it for a while. I think they've updated the design of it a little bit, but it is a quality product. It runs well. Almost no maintenance whatsoever. It is small, compact. It's just perfect for a starter treadmill or a treadmill that's going to need to go in a small place. There are other features. There's a lot of other cool things you can get on treadmills, but this is all the basics. It has an app. It has the speed. You can actually run on this thing. It has some manual inclination. It just has all the ups and downs. It has the little pulse meters on the side. They work okay. Everything a treadmill has, this thing has it, and it lasts. It's a solid working treadmill. It's small, and it's highly recommended.